Bungard, for professional prototyping. We'd like to present the Bungard CCD computer-controlled drilling and routing machine. These are a few members of the CCD family. And this is the typical workplace for the CCD. With the Bungard CCD, you can drill printed circuit boards and all sorts of other materials. Carry out isolation milling and contour and cut out routing and milling. It can also engrave and route aluminium and process PVC and plastic. Another option is dispensing SMD adhesives and solder pastes, or using a plot pen adapter creating technical drawings. Needless to say, we supply the necessary user-friendly software which runs on all standard PCs using Windows. So, how does the Bungard CCD actually work? We'll briefly demonstrate drilling a printed circuit board. The Bungard CCD can be equipped with a fully automatic tool changer. All tools are optically checked before and after use. At the end of the job, the software reports any damage which might have occurred. However, initially, the CCD continues with the other tools in order to complete the job as far as possible. The supply scope includes, apart from top quality engineering, the complete interface cabling as well as the necessary control unit. Milling, drilling and engraving always create dust, so an integrated dust extraction unit is also included. For noise and dust protection, we offer an optional protective hood, either as a table or rack version. The heart of the CCD is the high-frequency spindle, which combines low running costs with the highest quality drill holes. And of course, we also offer a wide range of different drills and milling tools. Various small devices make work with the CCD even easier. A depth limiter ensures perfect milling results even on rough surfaces. With the Z-axis decoupled, the CCD scans the surface. A pressure foot prevents burr formation on the underside, and both devices prevent any accidental contact with the rotating spindle. Changing a tool is just as quick and easy with the manual version. With the automatic tool changer, the drills or routers can be inserted either manually or with the centering device into the toolboxes, or you can use the integrated software function. The supplied software is easy to use and extremely user-friendly, and is available in either a German or English version. Data entry is either by mouse or function keys. This ensures easy access to subdirectories such as machine configuration, where organization matters and standard search paths can be programmed. Of course, the software allows all basic machine functions to be set and stored. For example, correction factors, maximum speed and acceleration ramps. The tool menu allows important job parameters for up to 99 tools to be entered. For each tool, the drilling depth, feed rate and spindle speed can be adjusted precisely to the task in hand. The same applies to the routers. In addition, you can adjust the speed in the X and Y axes. For particularly difficult jobs, such as routing aluminium, you can mill the complete depth in up to 99 iterations. all job-related preset parameters can be stored. This allows you to select or load the optimum data for a whole variety of jobs, ranging from light engraving to difficult routing. The subdirectory offset permits manual logging of drilling or dispensing points. Complete drill and route files can be produced and stored. And with the panelize function, these data can be arranged into whole panels. To prevent any input errors due to all these data entry possibilities, we have incorporated a control function, view. With view, you can not only see whether the routing and milling data are compatible, but by superimposing the table contours, you can also check whether you have opened the file with the correct scale. When drilling or routing, numerous options are available. You can show the table size, or a grid, or both. A click of the mouse selects a particular area, or you first select an area and within this area certain tools. Your selection will of course be shown graphically on the display, as well as the progress of the routing or drilling. An integral part of the CCD concept was to make it multifunctional. This is evident in the intelligent problem-solving details. An example. You can fix the necessary working materials in a number of ways. Reference pins may be used. Materials can also be clamp fixed or even tension fixed. An optional extra with the Bungard CCD is a vacuum table. So how can the CCD be best employed in your business? The machine is able to perform a whole range of tasks. Here's a brief rundown. One application that is becoming more and more popular is isolation routing of printed circuit boards. As with all routing processes performed by the CCD, you'll need an HPGL file, in this instance one with the circuit track contours. If these can't be produced with your CAD program, we recommend IsoCam, a software which calculates track contours using Gerber film data. In developing IsoCam, we placed the emphasis not only on a great variety of functions and data compatibility, but also on quick and easy usability. For instance, in the Pro version, apart from standard formats such as Gerber, Extended Gerber, HPGL and Epsilon, DXF and bitmap can be imported and saved. IsoCam synchronizes, mirrors and turns designs according to your needs, adds fixing or register holes, and calculates the isolation channels according to settings in the routing dialog. IsoCam also eliminates any residual copper areas in order to comply with VDE, ICE and BSI regulations. This could be a finished prototype. Engraving aluminium front plates and signs presents no problems for the Bungard CCD. This application normally requires a coolant supply, which is available as a low-cost option. Due to its very large table size, the CCD is ideally suited as a pen plotter for formats up to A3. All that's necessary is to replace the high-frequency spindle with a suitable adapter, which is also available as an optional extra. Another application, dispensing SMD adhesives or solder paste. On request, an outlet socket for a dispensing unit is available as an option. This turns the Bungard CCD into a high-speed dispenser. It takes only milliseconds to set working parameters in the dispensing software. This controls the operating time of the apparatus. Short dispensing times mean small dots, and longer times a correspondingly larger dot. The actual dispensing operation runs fully automatically without interruption. Of course, other applications are also possible. Using the video camera, for instance, you can effectively monitor measurement points or perform optical quality controls at predetermined spots. That was a short introduction to the Bungard CCD computer-controlled drilling and routing machine, explaining just a few of its many applications. Incidentally, the running time was 11 minutes. 11 minutes in which the Bungard CCD could have drilled 3,000 holes for you.